Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming nothing important will be lost. First, list active jobs with jobs or inspect processes with ps-aux-grep your username so you know what will stop. Once done, save files and stop long-running tasks. Make sure background jobs are no-hupped if they must survive. Then type exit or press Ctrl-D to close the shell promptly. If the terminal is a tab, that action closes the tab. If it's the last tab, the window will close as well. If the terminal refuses to close because of jobs or hung processes, bring them to foreground with FG and terminate gracefully, or disown them if you want them to continue. When that fails, identify process ID with PS or pgrep and run kill PID. Use kill -9 PID only when necessary because it prevents cleanup. For GUI sessions, click the close button or run kill all gnome terminal from another shell. Once done, verify no zombie processes remain with PS or top, then proceed to final cleanup. To finish, confirm the terminal is gone by running pgrep a gnome terminal or ps-aux-grep terminal from another session. This ensures no orphaned instances remain. If a GUI window is unresponsive, use xkill and click the window, or escalate with sudo killall -9 gnome terminal. If your desktop or shell environment behaves oddly afterward, restart the terminal process or reboot the system to restore a clean state. Troubleshooting tip: if processes restart automatically, check systemd user units or terminal profiles that reopen on login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.